Any additional Tesla or SpaceX, or have you kind of maxed out where you feel comfortable with your fund, which is a diversified fund?
In the funds that I manage, I've been maxed out. We had, when the stock went up 20 times after we bought it, we sold for clients about a quarter of the shares. I didn't sell a share personally. I committed to the directors of our mutual funds. I only invest in mutual funds normally. I made an exception in this instance, and I said that I was the last in. I would last out, and I won't sell a single share for myself until we sell all of our client stock. And as far as buying more, I would buy more if I could, but I can't. And other guys at our firm are nibbling. They do things like, this is a great price. This is when they introduce this Model 2, they're going to have the cost half of what it is right now, half. And they're going to sell the car for, I don't know, maybe a third less than what it is right now, and there's credits. So this is Toyota almost bankrupted the whole automobile industry 20 years ago.
Tesla is a leader in technology and efficiency, with some of the most advanced manufacturing capabilities and software development efforts in the industry. This major factor makes it the most efficient and reliable electric vehicle on the market, with performance, long range, and low maintenance costs. The truth is that investing in Tesla as a company is more than just buying its stock. Rather, it's a way of supporting the company's mission, product, impact, and culture. It's also a way of contributing to a sustainable future that's already well within reach. For this singular reason, several investors have identified Tesla as a profitable investment, not only for the short term, but in the long term as well. Today, we're going to explore the comments made by a renowned Tesla investor, Ron Barron, as he gives another interesting prediction about Tesla and its stock. If you have some Tesla shares in your portfolio, this is one video you don't want to miss.
More interesting things right now are Tesla and SpaceX. And Tesla, so we've been an investor in. So Tesla is now at a similar stage where it was in 2014, 2015, when I was investing, 16, and they were doing 40,000 cars a year. They're now doing 1.8 million, on the way to 20 million. And they've been growing 50% a year. And this year, they'll probably be up, 25, 30%. Next year, about the same. But there's a new car coming.
25, 30% revenue?
No, units.
Or units, okay.
Units. And then they got this, the battery business, which is $6 billion a year, and that's going to be up triple over the next 3 years, and that's going to go up 30 times.
There's been a lot made over the UAW and the potential strike that is facing the big three automakers here. And what's been brought up is they have all of these EVs that they have to deal with. Their cost basis is quite a bit higher than Tesla's.
Way higher. So, so every time they sell an EV, they sell one fewer gasoline car. And the gasoline car they make money on, and the EVs they lose money on. The traditional OEMs are troubled right now, and I think ultimately, they're going to make metal, they're going to make the units, and ultimately they're going to buy software from Tesla. Tesla is going to be like Intel inside of a Microsoft computer. That's going to be Tesla. So Tesla is going to be everything that makes the car, all the inside is going to be Tesla. That's what's ultimately they're going to be licensed.
Are you buying?
Ron Barron is a billionaire investor and avid Tesla enthusiast, and he continues to draw attention with his bullish predictions regarding Tesla stock. His steadfast confidence in Tesla's potential has captivated the investment community, and his most recent projections have sent shockwaves through the industry. Barron remains an ardent supporter of Tesla and recently made an astonishing revelation, disclosing that he has more than $1 billion invested in Elon Musk's aerospace and satellite manufacturing venture, SpaceX. During a recent interview with CNBC, he expressed his belief that Tesla's valuation will experience significant growth over the coming years. Hey guys, welcome back to Tesla Tomorrow. Barron confidently said that within the next 7 years, Tesla's presence in the stock market will expand to 4 or 5 times its current size. This comes as Tesla's stock surged by an impressive 120% this year, driven by factors such as increasing popularity of AI. As an investment theme, the Federal Reserve's easing of its stance on inflation and Elon Musk's renewed focus on the company, having appointed Linda Yaccarino as the CEO of X. According to our calculations, Tesla's total market capitalization could swell to well over $4 trillion if its stock price were to increase fivefold from its current level of approximately $276 per share. Before we carry on though, if you like this type of content, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on post notifications to keep up to date on everything going on with Tesla. Earlier this year, Ron Baron forecasted a profitable future for Tesla and its investors, citing an unprecedented demand for its vehicles. While Elon Musk aimed to produce 20 million cars by 2030, Baron was even more optimistic, predicting that Tesla shares could reach well within $1,500 each by 2030. Furthermore, in his latest Tesla stock predictions, Baron made audacious projections. He said that he had an ambitious price target for seeing Tesla stock reaching $500 per share by 2025. Considering its current price of less than $300, this implies a remarkable upside in Tesla's stock price. In his latest interview, Baron disclosed that he holds 17.5 million shares of Tesla, valued at $4.8 billion as at that time. Additionally, he revealed that he'd built a stake of over $1 billion in SpaceX since his initial investment in the company back in 2017. Notably, Baron has made headlines in the past for his very bullish comments about Tesla and its stock. While being a renowned wealth manager with a net worth in the billions, he has also been a dedicated supporter of Tesla since 2014, reportedly making around $4 billion from an initial investment of $380 million. Following these remarkable gains, Baron has not stopped reiterating his unwavering bullish stance on Tesla, emphasizing his enduring confidence in the company. So judging by Baron's position in the investment world, can we really say that Tesla stock is a good buy right now? Well, in most cases, there's no definitive answer, as a company's stock market performance depends on a string of internal and external factors. However, the recent happenings with Tesla suggest that it's going to be a very profitable investment in the coming years. In what's seen as a monster rally, Tesla stock has experienced a massive surge of over 150% in 2023, according to the latest data. This remarkable increase has also been propelled by a combination of factors, including stronger company earnings, a robust EV market, and strategic battery charging partnerships with industry leaders. Furthermore, the latest jolt of momentum just came this week, as Morgan Stanley analysts unveiled an astonishing price target increase for Tesla, citing their bullish outlook on the company's cutting-edge Dojo supercomputer. No doubt, it's not all sunshine and rainbows for Elon Musk's EV giant. In reality, Tesla continues to face multiple near-term challenges like slowdown in revenue growth, a contraction in operating margins, the ongoing price war in the EV market, and various macroeconomic risks. However, one thing is certain is that Wall Street and other analysts remain largely bullish on Tesla's future growth prospects. For instance, popular financial advisor Kevin Paffrath recently highlighted several levers that could potentially fuel further ascent in Tesla shares. The expert reaffirmed that Tesla remains heavily undercapitalized by major funds when compared to other blue-chip stocks like Microsoft, Apple, and Amazon. He also noted that only 35% of large-cap funds hold Tesla, and that those who bet on the stock have relatively low allocations. Similarly, Morgan Stanley's made another show of bullishness on Tesla. In a 40-page report, Morgan Stanley strategist Adam Jonas noted that Tesla's recently deployed Dojo supercomputer was in development, and it was set to train Tesla's FSD technology, and it could play a pivotal role in propelling the company's valuation to as much as $500 billion. This came after Musk made a very interesting statement stating that all Tesla's value long-term will be from AI and robots. You see, Tesla's more than just a car company. It's a company that aims to create a sustainable energy ecosystem that includes EVs, solar panels, battery storage, and other related products and services. Tesla's mission to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy and create products that are designed to replace some of the planet's biggest. Therefore, by investing in Tesla as a company, you're not only supporting its financial growth, but also its environmental and social impact. Investing in this company means buying into a bold vision. Tesla is on a mission to accelerate the world's transition to a sustainable energy source. And so your investment supports that crucial endeavor. As a shareholder, you're backing a company that's continually pushing the boundaries. What do you think about Ron Baron's comments on Tesla? Let us know down below, and if you want to know more about what Tesla's been up to over the last few days, go ahead and click on this next video on your screen. See you there.